I'm Nida, founder and CEO of Nife.io.
Clouds are a mystery, are a story to some, but to others, it's a huge challenge. And in 3 years' time, we will see 50 billion devices, IoT, mobile, all generating tons and tons of data. And this is a challenge to our cloud.
You know the clouds, but then there are public as well as private clouds. And then there are more ways to host your applications, and more of these are getting added by 5G and edge computing all across the world. And from where we are today, infrastructure is only growing. Let's look at what happens between cloud and the devices. Application communicates with a remote static cloud far, far away. Data goes from one location to another, computes, and then comes back, posing its own challenges. If cloud were closer to end user, computation would happen really fast and only the required data would then go back. And that's the explosion we're seeing with edge servers. For a moment, think of enterprises as airlines. Now visualize that there are many airlines moving across multiple hubs and multiple airports. Today, there are few airports in the world, hence, it's easy to manage these hubs. But imagine if every house, every office had its own airport. Traffic management would then be a nightmare. And that's exactly the kind of explosion we're seeing right now with devices and enterprises. And to enable these devices to interact with each other, edge servers are becoming a necessary infrastructure. The intelligence required for communication, for routing, for performance is unprecedented. Today's cloud will not work for tomorrow's application. That's where Nife comes into play. Nife is building a global public edge cloud that enables a faster, more powerful internet experience for the world. While there are millions of devices today, there will be billions that will be added tomorrow. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Nife is solving this by aggregating the hubs worldwide and moving applications closer to the end user. But we just don't move it to any location. Every customer has its unique needs. We tailor it to move it to the location where the need is the most. We conduct a seamless orchestration between many locations and many applications to meet the specific needs of the customer.
We have access to 500 locations today, making us one of the largest aggregator of infrastructure. We have reduced operating expense by 20%. We have improved efficiency by about 8x. And guess what? It takes 5 minutes to deploy an application on a platform. 5 minutes. That's how easy we make for our customers to seamlessly access the whole cloud economy, the edge economy. So then one day, a customer came to us talking about all his challenges with his existing infrastructure. The customer came to us saying he's not able to launch new product upgrades. Forget about launching new product upgrades. He's not able to access public cloud because there are certain regions in this world that are very focused on compliances. The third is managing his application across a hybrid infrastructure. And so we went to rescue the customer. The results were remarkable. And we've done this again and again with multiple other customers.
In 2 years of our existence, and just a handful of developers, literally 4 developers, we have done about 5 pilots, plethora of customers, IoT, AR, VR, OTT platforms, financial institutes, supply chain management applications, and so on and so forth. We have a whole bunch of developers who've tried our platform and have loved it. And now we're looking at writing our own scale story. Nife is an amalgamation of nickel and ferrous, found in core of the earth in formations of grids. Core of planetary structures are built on Nife, and hence we would like to be the core of your application, helping you scale, deploy, manage, and scale your applications across the world.
We've been engrossed in building the future of real-time computing, and we would love for you to be a part of our journey.
do get in touch. Nife is building the future of real-time computing.